Let me show you where I need to press this bearing off. And I always like to put a sprocket nut back on there so you don't crush those threads to at least get it to start to move. So check this out. Once I get things nice and stabilized on there, I'll just thread that nut on my hand, center it up, and go ahead and press it out. Now, if it goes out nice and smooth and easy like this, you probably don't need to heat it up. But if it's still being a bear, I'd recommend heating up that collar. When things go well, it's going to go just like this, nice and smooth and easy, and just start to pop right out of there. Let's pull it out and do a quick little check to see how much it's moved. So check that out right where that arrow is. You can see that gap now and know that it's been moving quite a bit. And now I could go back to just a traditional spacer. So for installation, I'm going to use the traditional heat and freeze method. So check this out. Never thought about this. Instead of an open flame, I'm going to use that griddle. My little trick is just use a baking pan on top of it to keep the heat in. Then I'm going to grab the transmission shaft out of the freezer, set it up quick, and when I do this, watch how easy it goes together. Make for dang sure you're wearing some gloves. That temperature of that griddle was reading about 500 degrees, but these bearings from sitting on there, you give them about 230 degrees, and I found they'll just slip on just like that. And then last but not least, I like to hold a spacer on there, just kind of hold it down against the seat so that there's no chance of it lifting or any kind of movement. Those two temperatures will sync up and you're good to go. Like, share, and subscribe, my friends.